Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to send a credit or load to the Philippines. So I'm here in Australia at the moment and I found this app which is very handy because I always like to chat or give some, at least it's gonna be like a present to the Philippines, like to my family. So I'm gonna share with you what app I have been using to send some credit or phone recharge to the Philippines. So the name of the app is Ding. It's D-I-N-G. So you will have to install the app on your phone in a smartphone. And then all you need to do, of course, it involves money because you have to pay for the credit that you want to send to the Philippines. So the name of the app you have to install first is Ding. So that's D-I-N-G. It's like it's this symbol here. I'm gonna put a picture on the symbol of the app so you will recognize it easy on the App Store. So you will download or download whatever. You download that app, install the app, get your card ready because you will need a card to pay for the recharge. Like in here in Australia, I use that to send recharge to my family, and the minimum recharge cost $1 something, so $1 for 50 pesos. So you can use this app wherever you are, like wherever, which country you are, you can use this app because it can send from anywhere around the world. So you will just have to send where you want to send, like which country you want to send. India, China, Philippines is all in there from A to Z. So you will just have to choose which country you want to send the credit. So I will show you how to do it using on this next clip. So I'll show you on the next clip on how to do it. All you have to do is download the app first, and then you can continue and move on with the process on how to send credit or recharge to the Philippines. So hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to have a tutorial on how to send load or phone credit to the Philippines from all over the world. So with this app you can access or you can send load wherever you are around the world to the Philippines or even to a different country, the whole worldwide. So first you have to open, or if you haven't installed the app yet, you have to install the app. Like the app is called Ding, so it's open the Ding. Now since I'm already logged in, and since I've already sent some loads to the Philippines, then I already have here my number saved. So let's just say we're gonna send to someone new. So I'm gonna send to this number. So for example, we're gonna send to this number, and then you just click next. You will have to log in first on the app, or register first to the app. So as you can see in here, there's a lot of countries where you can send credit, phone credit. So you can send to anywhere around the world. So like from A to Z, all the way down. So all this all the way to Zimbabwe. So wherever you want to send credit, phone credit, you just type the country. So I'm going to send some to Philippines. So click Philippines, and then that's loading now. And then you will select the operator. So with this operator, I'm gonna click token text. So the operator means like the network provider. So in this section, we have to select which amount you are going to send. So they have a lot of choices. They also have great value. which is 300 pesos. And then we will just try this 50 pesos, so $1.92. So we will just try that for now. So my bank details is already here. So either you can edit that one, because I'm already registered here, or I'm already logged in, so my bank details has been saved because I've been using this app for a long time to send credit to my family back home in the Philippines. So the processing fee, let's have a look. So that one is $1.92. So let's proceed to payment. And then they will just ask for your the card number at the back of your card, which is the security number. So we're gonna put, and then pay now. So it's loading, it's sending. Anyway, when you type the number, you will yep, it's been confirmed on my email that the order has been processed, and then they will also send you a copy of your receipt on your email. So let's have a look at the receipt. So there's no processing fee for that. So the order is here. This is the receipt, the time, and the status, the number, and the operator, the amount. So there's no processing fee for this one. And then you will just have to check your email if it's being sent, and then you will ask the recipient if they've received the load or the credit. So that's as easy as that. You will just have to log in or download the app. The app is called Ding. So that's done. So that's the Ding app, which you will upload from the App Store. And then the numbers there that you have sent the load before will be saved for your next transaction. So we will just write this like that and submit. Okay, so that's all. And we will have a look at the history. So there you go, $50 sent. So I'm now gonna message my sister if she received it, or we will check the email if it's there. So we will close this app now. So that's been sent. So all you have to do is install the app Ding, and then you type the number you want to send the credit to, select the country you want to send the credit to, the country, the number, the network provider, and you will have to choose what amount would you like to send. And then if you haven't saved your bank details yet, you have to put your bank number and then the security number in the back of your card, and then send, and then you get an email knowing that it's been received. And let's have a look at our email here if it's received. So where is it? It's actually on the email that it's been sent. So where are you? Yeah, it's usually in the email, but it hasn't arrived yet. But this is really legit, because I've done this so many times, and I always use this to send load to the Philippines. So this is the app, and here we are. They send to someone new. And what else is here? Reminders, and this is their privacy. So it's yep. So I just messaged my sister, and she said she's got credit. So that is very good, and that's how you send credit or recharge to a phone to anywhere around the world. And I have tried and tested this, and this is very legit. There's no scam or anything. Just make sure that you have your card ready and the number ready. So I hope you will learn something from this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you will not miss anything, and click that notification bell. And thank you again if you want to watch till the end. And if you want to learn also how to send money to the Philippines using the internet or online, and so quick, it will only take you 3 minutes or not even a minute. Click this link up here on how to send money to the Philippines online in minutes. So that's what I've been using also. It's pretty handy because you don't have to go to agents like Western Union or anything. You will just do it on your computer if you have an internet anywhere around the world also. So you can send it to the Philippines or whichever country you want to send, as long as you have your card with you to use to pay the fees and the money you want to send. It's all in the computer, so it's pretty handy. So check it out, guys. Up here I leave a link here, and stay tuned because the next clip would be the tutorial on how to send credit to the Philippines. So see you guys.